Hey out there in high performance land, this is Chris Straub, Straub Technologies, and we're here at Straub Tech today with our CWT 5500 balancer, and we're here with Rick Cox. Rick does all the balancing here at Straub Technologies, and Rick brought a ingenious little process to when we're balancing. So I was going to let Rick explain where he learned about this and how at Straub Technologies we're cooking in the machine shop. Rick, how'd you, a little bit about yourself and been in the industry and stuff?
Well, been in it for about all my life, so in the race shop I learned a little trick how to cut a hole out without tearing up your drill bits, and so use lard.
Now Rick, you know, you're a humble guy. That race shop just happened to be
Johnson Racing.
So the pro
stock.
The pro stock team. Okay. So this is a little trick that Roy or Alan taught you.
Roy taught me this one. Yep.
And you were balancing a crankshaft one day, and it was squalling on the deal.
Squalling on it. Yep. Roy come over and said, "You burned my drill bits up." So he put a little lard on it. So
now wait a minute. Put a little lard on it.
Put a little lard.
A little Crisco.
Yeah. Never would have believed it.
So yeah, that's right. It said we actually use lard when we're cutting the cranks, and with this lard, you see as far as with the drill bit life increased.
A lot. It's increased a lot. Yeah, I don't have to sharpen my drill bits probably about once a month now instead of once a week. So
anybody out there cutting metal with a drill bit and stuff, dab a little lard on it. We're going to do just a quick little demo here on this crankshaft that we're spinning up today for a customer, Rex Turner. Proceed, Rick.
All right. I usually get it in there like that right there. Go ahead and start doing its thing.
You heard it there, kind of grumbling and mumbling. It hit that lard.
And then it's done. It'll cut you a pretty little hole. It don't tear your drill bit up. You don't have to press on it hard. And there he is. You've got your nice little hole started with lard and save a lot of drill bits.
Well, Rick, I appreciate it, and thanks for that little tip here. It saves Straub Technologies some money. So the machine shops out there, or guess anybody drilling, go to your local grocery store and get you a can of lard. And remember, Straub Technologies, we don't build engines here, we build combinations. Thank you.